All right. Hey everyone, welcome back to another banger stream. So I already traded on the London session. It took a lot of time as already uploaded that video. I hope you watched that. So just here to answer some of your questions, and I'm actually done for the week trading. All right. You have a news, right? Uh 6 p.m. Oh, okay. It's done actually. Right. Let me just share the link. Okay. So I'm not going to explain this. If you want the confluences of this trade, you can just go and watch the video on the channel. Let's see if we can get another trade today. I don't think so that we would get another entry, but we could. Let's see. Okay. All right. It's very good. All right. All right. I'm looking to take out this equal highs actually. This liquidity was been in my eyes. All right. Hey, welcome to the stream. Did you take a trade today or still looking for an entry? I think market shifted to bullish, right? Yeah, actually, we are actually bullish seasonal tendency on DXY. I just posted on Discord because on the daily time frame, if we check that, we just swept this high right here and moved really aggressively in the downside. So in the 4 hour time frame, there was actually shift in the structure. That's why I was in bear side. We are still till December. I think this rally could continue or just and simple retracement. It could be anything. Just took a trade on gold, got ASL. What was your entry? Where was your entry? New York session. New York session. EURUSD. I back tested OT. It worked. All right. Buy side. What the 10? 1 second, guys. All right. New York session. EURUSD. I back tested OT. It worked. I don't know where did you entered. This was your entry? I guess so. This was right. Coming down. Euro dollar wasn't clean though. That's what GBP gave me a clean entry. In 5 minutes, check at 6 a.m. New York session starting time. Euro dollar. This one, right? Did you took? I can say it right. This one on GBP. I took that GBP trade. Uh, Oh, 5 minute. Wait. This candle, right? I don't know. It's actually New York time. Tell me a New York time candle. New York time 6. This candle you're talking about. I sent the picture. All right, let me check. Okay, which one is that? Okay, here you took that trade here, right? It's 7 a.m. Yeah, it's 7 a.m. It was a good trade. You took the trade on the order per person block actually. How many trade did you take this week? I didn't take the trade, just back testing. What do you mean back testing but didn't take any trade? You're just watching the price on just a chart or like what? I didn't buy, just saw it and applied the OT and waited. You are forward testing. That's called forward testing. I don't think I would get any entry again. It's just to just fill this gap. I'm actually not gonna trade. I'm done for the week. I would trade next week again, and it's already weekend. So yeah, not expecting any move. It already consolidated a lot. It just swept on the news and just moving in that direction. All right, I'm actually not expecting anything, so I think twin stream makes no sense right now. If you have any question, just ask a real quick, and I will just explain and stop the stream. Can you explain me the narrative plus bias and also the 15-minute OT as we discussed in Discord? Could you please remind that day? I can't actually remember that date. Tell me the date. I will just explain you. Maybe this one, right? 4th November, I guess so. Is it 4th November, right? I think it's 4th November. So, yeah, let's just tell me. So, the reason that New York session trade was less probable because we had raised this equal highs there, right? Liquidity. Second thing, when New York session opens, it needs to sweep a 5 minute short-term high. Like this could be a short-term high in the New York session. It should have just taken out this high, then fall. Third thing, it should have retraced at least to the low of the Asian session, which it didn't did. So if you were selling from there, so it was less probable. It could have just taken out you, tap that low and just fall into that direction. It could. And if we put that Fibonacci from the low to, sorry, high to the low of this low, obviously. Um, so you can see definitely didn't even reach that equilibrium level. So that's what it makes low probable trades. That's what I was saying. Did you understand? The more odds you take in your favor, the better your accuracy gets. If you see, I waited literally the whole week, didn't even trade a single day, escaped today. Today I had a lot of odds in my favor. What was that? Because first thing, DXY was bearish in seasonal tendency. Second thing, DXY swept that high and gave us a real displacement in the downside, aggressive move, right? Third thing, we had left over this liquidity void that we needed to fill. Fourth thing, we are actually in Thursday we can expect most of the time is reversal. So if I simply put that weekly profile, so let's go on the EURUSD what I used. So we see it's the Wednesday low of the week, it's bullish. So we made the low break, come back, and continue to take out this high on EURUSD and fill that liquidity void on GBPUSD. So this many odds were in my favor. And one more thing, this displacement candle just showed me that the banks wants to go higher prices. So there was 5 odds in my favor. I hope you understand it. The more odds you have, the better. Exactly. So my trades are actually high probable, even though you made profit on that trade, but that was very risky. Anything else? Okay, then it's a weekend. I think do not gamble anymore on the Friday. It's already the first week, so let's see you next week. All right. Most probably, I would be live on Tuesday. Let me just check. Yeah, we don't have any news on the Monday, so I would live on the Tuesday, right? 11 November. All right. That's all. Yeah. Have a nice weekend.